One of the fastest ways to eat away your cash flow is excessive or unnecessary maintenance expenses. And in my experience, managing over 1,600 rental properties across the Phoenix metro area, I've seen it happen far too often. Let's break down the top 3 ways investors end up overpaying for maintenance. Number 1, calling out vendors before troubleshooting. Sometimes it's a simple fix, a tripped breaker or GFI, a loose handle, or a clogged air filter. Always ask your tenant a few basic troubleshooting questions first. You'll be surprised how many issues can be addressed just by doing some basic troubleshooting. Number 2, using the wrong type of contractor. You don't need a licensed plumber to fix a leaky faucet or a running toilet. You can use licensed tradesmen when legally required, but try to lean on reliable handymen for minor repairs. Number 3, no oversight or price benchmarking. If you're not constantly comparing bids or reviewing invoices, chances are you're probably overpaying. This is something that has to be done continuously. At Stratton Vantage Property Management, we've created a system that protects our owners from overspending. Every request gets triaged first. Our maintenance coordinators troubleshoot before dispatching a vendor. And we negotiate pricing with a preferred vendor network. We don't charge any oversight fees for maintenance coordination. If we're charged $100, you'll be charged $100. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on property management. And if you're a rental property owner in the Phoenix metro area looking to cut costs without cutting corners, we'd love to help. Thanks for watching.